You're going to learn the difference between raster program and vector program. Uh, Illustrator is a vector program, so whenever you draw in Illustrator, it's going to be sharp, clean, and you can enlarge it or make it really small, still with good crisp lines. Photoshop is a raster program and it's good for image editing, but you have to be careful with your image size, and if you don't pay attention you can run into the issue of pixelation. You can see how we zoom in and we can see all the pixels that created the image.